Hey guys, hope you are doing really good and welcome back to my channel. Can you believe that this super soft loaf bread has 200 grams of protein and made with just 5 ingredients? No yeast, no proofing is required, and it's a must try bread. Trust me, it tastes amazing. So I have used this mild high protein flour which has 46 grams of protein for 100 grams of flour. So we are using at least 400 grams of flour. Now if you don't have this atta, you can use regular atta, which is fine. So I have used Greek yogurt for this recipe. So even if you use regular atta, you still get some kind of protein from Greek yogurt. Then I've added milk. You can use regular soy milk, almond milk, that's fine. Even peanut yogurt that can be used. Then I am adding is this atta to it, the high protein atta. You can even use it for your rotis and all. It tastes amazing. Little bit of baking powder, baking soda and salt. You add all these things and now you're going to mix it really well. So either you can hand mix it, you can use a hand blender. I have mixed it and then after some time I use the hand blender to make the dough. Make sure your dough has to be really soft. So in case you use atta and you feel that the dough is hard, don't worry about it. You can add a little more milk. You can even add herbs to it. This is very quick and easy to make, trust me. In just like 40 minutes you can bake this bread and it will turn out amazing. So here I am kneading with my hand, but I have just a little bit of wrist problem, so then I switched to using a hand blender. So you can see, try to knead it like your regular sandwich bread. Knead it as much as you can, so don't need to worry about it. So keep mixing it. Once that is done, you keep kneading it, and then once that is done, you will get a really soft dough. So you can see how soft my dough was. That's how you're going to be getting. Now I'm just going to knead it a little more so that the gluten gets activated just a little more. Now if you are using atta, it's going to be you'll feel it a little difficult to knead. If you are doing maida, it's going to be way easier, but I like this because the atta also has some protein in it, so it makes my bread really healthy and I get my protein intake also with this. And you'll be surprised that this actually has no yeast, no proofing, and yet it is super soft. It goes well for at least 2 weeks, but keep it in the fridge. Because of the yogurt, it can get spoiled really soon, so keep it in the fridge. Now I have used a 6 by 3 inch tin. I really like to give it a really good height. Now you can even egg wash it or you can milk wash it. I topped it up with some seeds, so that is something that you can do. Just add some seeds on top. You can add herbs also, that is also fine. Just brush it really well and then we are going to put it for baking. So I preheated my oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and then I'm going to add for baking. So I like adding seeds, herbs. You can add flavors to it like jalapenos, make it like a focaccia bread, that is also fine. Now once that is done, you can see how beautiful the bread is going to turn out. So now have a look at this bread. It's super soft, so that you don't need to worry. It is super soft, and then we are going to just slice it to show you how this bread turns out. So all you have to do is try this recipe. Let me know if you guys like it and if I should share more such high protein recipes. Do even let me know about it.